Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making something sweet, sticky, and also addicting. If you grew up in a Filipino household, you know that no celebration is complete without Biko. First up, we cook the glutinous rice. This is the base of our Biko. And yes, you need to use glutinous rice, or else, well, let's just say it won't be Biko. Let's pour the coconut cream into a pan and cook this on a medium heat until it thickens and forms crispy latik. Well, I saw some coconut in the market, but I don't have the traditional coconut grater. In the Philippines, it's either you have it grated in the market or manually grate it yourself. For those curious, this is how kudkuran or grater in English looks like. We had this at home when I was growing up. Either we use it for savory dishes or sweet dainties. Anyway, since I don't have the grater, I bought this coconut milk in cans. Now, here comes the magic coconut milk plus brown sugar equals pure gold. This is what gives Biko that deep caramel flavor. Just keep stirring and stirring and oh yeah, more stirring. When you see it's already a bit sticky, separate a cup of the caramel sauce and set aside. This will be used later. Now you may add the rice and gently fold it to coat completely. Let the rice absorb the liquid while stirring from time to time. Do this until all grains are cooked and have expanded and very sticky. Just keep on stirring every 5 minutes or so to avoid scorching the bottom part and once the liquid is well absorbed. This was officially my arm workout for the day. Who needs the gym when you have Biko to mix? Place some coconut oil in a dish. Now we spread it out and make it look all pretty. What I did before putting the latik is optional. I usually baked it for about 15 to 20 minutes. The length of time to bake the Biko depends on how thick the latik caramel topping is. You might want to add few minutes. Just wait till it turns bubbly. Alright, so who's craving Biko now? Let me know in the comments below if you've made this before or you're about to try it for the first time. But wait, don't forget the latik. This crunchy topping takes Biko from good to legendary. This is it. Sweet, chewy coconut perfection. The sticky rice dessert is a total comfort food classic. Trust me, once you start eating, there's no stopping. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Ayo ayo!